Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2010 Nissan Altima, we're gonna be replacing the torque strut. So, top to it. Our torque strut lives right here on the passenger side. It's similar to an engine mount, only it controls the engine's twist or torque when we accelerate or decelerate. We'll start by removing our power steering reservoir. To get out of the way, we'll just pop it up and slide it off its bracket. There, that's away just far enough we can get access to our bolt here. If we need, we can manipulate it as necessary. This is an 18mm bolt. Kind of get it in there. Come on. There we go. Break it loose. There, not too bad. Ooh, this thing's pretty long. Let me make sure that's it. There we go. Slide it out. Move this around. Perfect, got one. We'll get this next one. I don't think it'll fit under. Not quite. So our socket doesn't fit in there, but we can get an 18mm wrench right on that bolt. Just with a hammer, I'm gonna knock it loose. Yeah, not crazy tight. I'll finish it off with a ratcheting wrench. Pretty good, I can get it with my fingers now. Okay, so it doesn't quite clear this. So we'll remove these two bolts just enough to get this plate up, and then we'll clear. Let's see, this strut has been replaced, so the bolt size might be a little different than yours. I got 13mm. And then this bolt here is also 13mm. So now we'll pull up on this, slip this out just past it. There we go. Set that down. Now if you get your bolts confused, the one without the washer goes on top, one with the washer goes on the side. Okay, this should be able to just come right out. Perfect, got it. And you can see here, it's broken right there in that little spot. Just grab our new one, slide it in, put our bolt in, do the same thing, just lift up on this, get it to slip in, get those threads started. All right, finger tight, get this side bolt in. And you'll notice on yours, it may not line up perfectly with the hole. That's okay, we can manipulate the engine just a little to get it to line up. So hopefully you can see the engine moving just a little. Let me get this out of the way, get that bolt more straight. Just pulling on the alternator just a little. Let's see, I'm gonna get this back on. There we go. Make sure it's going in nice and smooth. If it gets too tight on you too soon, it's possible we have a cross thread. Back it back out, realign it. This is going in really nice, so we know we're good. Okay, right there. Get some torque specs. We can get these in real quick. Snug these down. According to my manual, these two bolts are 26 foot-pounds. And I looked everywhere for these two bolt torque and I could not find it. So just use your judgment. You can kind of gauge on how it felt coming off. And we'll just tighten these down and get it good and tight. One more. That feels good. Get this one. That feels good. Now our power steering reservoir will just hang on its bracket. Slide that back in. Perfect. And that's it, we're done. All right, there you go. That's how you can place the torque strut in your Altima. All in all, not too bad. Kind of bummed I didn't have those torque specs for the strut itself, but if I find it while editing the video, digging around a little bit more, I'll go ahead and post it. Otherwise, just use your best judgment. And that's it. I have a link in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. I hope your repair goes well and safe. I'll see you on the next one.